Hi, I'm Steve Young. I'm with Exact Metrology, and we're at the NPE National Plastics Expo 2018 in Orlando, Florida. I'm going to be taking you around today, showing you a few things that we have in our booth and some new technology. Stay tuned. One of the new exciting things we want to demonstrate at the NPE this year is volume graphics release of structural mechanics simulations. So you can watch the video. When we put stress on a part, we can see all the forces that are going on it. Once we do a CT scan on the part and find out there's voids or porosity in it, we can see a failure area, and that's very important to our customers. Here we have our Romer Absolute laser scanning articulated arm. The unit takes 700,000 points a second and an accuracy of plus or minus 1/1000th of an inch. We can scan 6-inch wide stripes, making it very, very fast to scan and inspect or reverse engineer your application. Here we're also demonstrating the Envision 3D printer. Envision is one of the leaders in the technology. 16-year-old company, holds most of the patents for 3D printing, and is a very high accuracy, high resolution, reliable 3D printer. Thanks for stopping by the Exact Metrology booth at NPE 2018 Orlando, Florida. Don't forget to visit us at exactmetrology.com.